how to reopen recently closed tabs in your Chrome by using your Android device. To first launch your Chrome app. So once you have launched your Chrome app in your Android device, you have to tap on the three dot menu which is on the top right corner of the browser. And here you have to select the recent tabs from the menu. Here you can see that. So you can tap any of the tab lists on the recently closed. Here you can see that, or you can go for the show full history and you can find it here. And you can just go and tap on that here and you can easily find the recently closed tab in your Chrome like this. So this step will help you easily find and reopen any tab that you have closed recently in your Chrome by using your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.